Hello students, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to learn lesson 11 food storage. Okay children, in this lesson we will learn about food spoilage, methods to store and preserve food, benefits of storing food and food storage during travel. Okay children. For what we are eating food children? We are eating food to get energy and for our growth. Okay children. So what will happen when we eat the spoiled food children? We will get some diseases. Okay. So we should know to identify the food which is good or bad. Okay, that the food which is fresh or spoiled. Okay children, see here in your textbook, Farah's father cooked biryani for dinner. After dinner, he kept the leftover biryani in the kitchen cupboard. Farah's father cooked biryani for Farah children dinner for night time. So after the dinner, the leftover biryani he kept in the kitchen cupboard as it is. Next day, before giving the biryani to Farah, he smelled it. Then he said, "This is spoiled now. Do not eat this. You will fall sick." Okay. So the next day, when Farah's father took the biryani, he smelled it and told, "This is spoiled now. Do not eat this. If Farah eat this, she will get sick." So what happened to the biryani children? Why can't Farah eat it? So see, the biryani is spoiled children. When the food becomes harmful, spoilage means when the food becomes harmful for our health, no, we say it is spoiled. Okay, that spoiled food we should not eat. Okay, we should throw away it. So food spoilage means the nutrition from the food is lost. Okay, as we told earlier, we eat food to get energy, to get various nutrients, okay, such as carbohydrates, vitamins from the food. Okay, this helps for us to give energy and for our growth and development. So when the food gets spoiled, the nutrition from the food gets lost and the food is wasted. I hope you understood children. See some of the spoiled food items. See, tomato. On it some growth is there, no, some green color or white color fluffy layer. This is called fungal growth. Okay, see how the vegetables are spoiled. See, through the color we can identify, and on the bread also see how it is spoiled. See, the reasons for food spoilage is the food spoils due to the presence of microorganisms children. Microorganisms means bacteria, fungi. Okay, so fungi like this, white color or a green color or yellow color or black color we can see children, but bacteria we cannot see with our naked eyes. Okay, these microorganisms then grow faster in hot climate. Okay, example fungi, bacteria and so on. So fungi which grow on the food are of different sizes children. We can see some of them with our eyes and some we cannot. Fungi also some only we can see, but bacteria we cannot see with our naked eyes. Okay children, now watch the video children of food spoilage.
Spoilage. At home, we sometimes find that food gets spoilt, whether it is raw or cooked. Milk, chapati, curry and fruits spoil very easily. When bacteria and fungi grow on food, it gets spoiled. Food kept in the refrigerator remains fresh for a longer time, as bacteria and fungi do not grow in cold temperatures. Heating kills germs. People who do not have refrigerators boil milk in the afternoon once again, so that it does not get spoiled. Drying in the sun is a good way of stocking up grains. The heat of the sun evaporates the moisture present in the grains. Moles do not grow on dry grains. The grains can then be stored in airtight containers.
So still now we were learning about food spoilage, children, and a few of the preservation steps also, how to store also. We can see food spoilage. I hope you are clear, children. Now how can we identify the spoiled food? See, so we can identify the spoiled food through the color, smell, look and touch of the food, children, changes when it is spoiled. Okay, see a normal fresh banana and a spoiled banana, see how it is. Okay, it is blackish, the skin becomes black and inside it is white color, that fungal growth, fungus has grown on it. Okay, children, so some of the pack, so before that, through the color we can see the color change in the food. You can see some yellow color. See the normal color of the item, and the spoiled food, how the color change, it is some blackish like this. There will be many color changes, okay, or yellowish. The food might become yellowish when it is spoiled. Then through the smell, when the food is spoiled, when you open that container, there will be a bad smell, children. Through that you can say. Next, the look, through look even we can identify, or through the touch. Okay, see, whenever your parents get groceries, no, groceries means what, children? You may know groceries means maligai saman solluvollada. So those are groceries. So in those packed food items, when they get, no, they will check, see what all the things, see, use before, best before or expiry date on the package. The groceries, the food, packed food items, what your parents will check means they will check both manufacturing date and expiry date will be there on the pack, children. You kindly get help from your parents. Okay, see, in that, before that manufacturing date means the date when the product is produced, that expiry date means when it will get expired. So above that expiry date we shouldn't eat that food. Okay, more than that, if we eat that food, what will happen means we'll get some of the diseases like stomach upset or vomiting, mostly vomiting or diarrhea, that is loose motion, children. Okay, so the expired, after the expiry date, when if we eat that food item means we may get food poisoning, that it may cause diseases like vomiting, diarrhea, that is loose motion, or stomach upset like that. Okay, children, I hope you all understood, children. And that's all for today's class, children. Kindly copy the answers in your science workbook part 2, page number 9, from question numbers 1 to 7, children. Thank you, children.